Hi kids! Today we're going to explore 20 awesome farm animals together. We'll look at each one, learn its name, and hear the sound it makes. Let's take our time and have fun meeting these barnyard buddies. Cow. Cows give us milk and enjoy chewing grass. They say moo moo and usually live in fields or barns. Pig. Pigs like rolling in the mud and make oink oink noises. They're clever and have curly little tails. Sheep. Sheep have fluffy coats of wool and bleat ba ba. Farmers shear their wool to make clothing. Goat. Goats have small horns and love to climb. They munch on grass, leaves, and even twigs. Horse. Horses are speedy and strong. They love to gallop and often help farmers with work. Donkey. Donkeys are like smaller horses with big ears. They bray hee-haw, and help carry loads. Chicken. Chickens lay eggs and go cluck, 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 cluck. They enjoy pecking and scratching in the soil. Duck. Ducks swim in ponds and quack, 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 quack. They waddle in a funny way when walking. Goose. Geese are bigger than ducks and honk loudly. They sometimes protect the farmyard. Turkey. Turkeys have fancy feathers and say, gobble, 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 gobble. They puff up when they're excited. Llama. Llamas are gentle, fluffy animals. They can carry loads and might spit if annoyed. Alpaca. Alpacas are like smaller llamas. They have extra soft wool and sweet-looking faces. Guinea pig. Guinea pigs are tiny, squeaky pets. They live in cozy cages and love eating vegetables. Lamb. A lamb is a young sheep. It's soft, playful, and makes a ba-ba sound. Mule. A mule is half horse and half donkey. They're very strong and hardworking. Bull. A bull is a big male cow. It's powerful and has large horns. Ox. Oxen help pull carts and plow fields. They're calm and hard-working animals. Hen. A hen is a female chicken. She lays eggs and cares for her chicks. Pony. Ponies are small horses. They're great for children to ride and love tasty treats. Calf. A calf is a baby cow. It drinks milk from its mother and grows into a big cow or bull.